Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. How to create admin panel in Laravel 11 step by step. And this is Laravel 11 Voyager admin panel tutorial. And this is a command line is a import. After this is a panel is a create. This is a automatically. And this is a my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. This is already working fine, and this is my gem server. This is my DDEM inside. This is gem server inside this available htdoc directory. This directory is available. This directory inside this cmd open. This is a directory inside cmd open successfully. This directory inside this is a working fine. Let's this first of all, this is a new Laravel is a create. This new Laravel create in this is a command is a available. This composer create project Laravel underscore Voyager. This is a project is a available. This project is a create. This project name is a not a available. This project is a name is a not a available. Let's same some command is a copy. This command is a copy, and inside this is already open. This cmd is a successfully open, and this is a folder is a not available. This folder name is a not available. Paste here and insert. Click this enter. Please wait. This is a folder is a create Laravel underscore Voyager. This is a create successfully. This is a inside. This is a working fine. This folder is a create. Let's show. This is a create. This is a live date, and this is a create this folder. Please wait. Laravel installation. This is a latest version is a Laravel installation. Please wait. This is a installation, and this is my official website. This is a errorsolutioncode.com. This is a VR to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. Please contact any time. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is my official website. Let's check this project. Please wait. This is a installation. This is an installation. Let's stop this video and installation and push this video and again start. This is an installation. Successfully this is a installation. This is a installation this package. This is a migration is a create successfully installation. Laravel is a successfully installation. This is a project is a installation. Let's check this project successfully installation. Let's cd same command is inside this available. This is a cd, and this copy and paste here. This paste here. Same name is a copy this command, and this is a remove. This remove cd, again paste here and enter. Successfully this is a directory inside. This is a this directory inside the cmd successfully available. Good working. Let's check this PSP artisan server. This is a PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully project is a working. Let's copy this URL and hit this browser. This is a hit this browser. Successfully project Laravel is a working fine. This is a latest version, and PSP version is a working good, and this is a project is a working. This is a available. Control C, and this is a stop server. Control C successfully server is a stop. This is 2 times is a implement. This is a server is a stop, and this is a close, and again this inside the cmd open this directory inside cmd, and this is a successfully working fine. This is a only default Laravel is available. Let's new command is the installation. This is a directory inside. The second command is a import. This is a Voyager is a implementation. This is a third command is a implementation. Please write down this command. This command is a write down. Same name command is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This command is a paste here. This project directory inside. Successfully composer is a update. Please wait. Please wait. This is the installation. All Web2 packages are suggest where to buy new dependency. Use composer session to scene details generating optimization autoload file. Good working. Local file operation for install, zero update or zero removal. Please wait. This is the installation. This my project. This is a project is an installation in this directory inside. This is a installation. This command directory inside this command is a installation. Please wait. Successfully installation is a done. This is a new migration is a create. Please wait. Successfully installation is a done. 2-3 command is a installation done. This my project is available. This project is open. This my Sublime text editor. This Sublime text editor successfully open. This project is a successfully open this Sublime text editor. This is a good. Let's .env file, and inside this is a name send. This is a MySQLi, and this is a hashtag is a remove, and this is a hashtag. This is all hashtag is a remove, and this is a password is a null available. Username is a, in this database is the name set Voyager. This is a new database name is a create. Let's same name is a copy, file is a save. This name is a copy, and this is a file is a save, and this inside this database is available in this new. Click this new. Inside this is a paste here. This is a paste here and create this. Successfully database is a create. This is a blank database. Inside this is a not a available. Let's first of all this is a migration create. This is a connection is a implementation, and this is a close this. And next command is a implementation PSP artisan installation. This is a PSP artisan installation is a create. This is the next command is a installation. Let's copy this name, copy, and inside this directory inside this paste here and enter. Please wait. This is an installation. This is a migration is a successfully. All table is a created. Please wait. This is a database is a create. All table is a step by step is a create. Add order, add control word, policy name, and this is a all successfully is a created and publish config asset. Please wait. Please wait. This is the installation. This data sheet there is a implementation. Please wait. Successfully this is a success installation Voyager. Enjoy. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. This database, click this database name. Inside this is a all table is a created. This by default is a created. Let's click this user table. Inside this is a all created. This is a blank table. This user table is a blank. Transaction table is a blank. User role is a blank. Let's dummy data is a implementation. This is a database name. Inside this dummy data is a implementation, and this is the dummy data is an installation. This command is a installation. This dummy data, this command is a installation. The same name is a copy, and this directory inside this project directory and paste here and enter. Successfully dummy data is a created. This is the dummy data is a create. Please wait. This dummy the auto load file and reloading all new file. Successfully dummy data is a implementation. Please wait. This is a working file. This is a all working file. This is a record is a successfully all. This is a command is a implementation. Let's refresh this database name, and this the click this user. Successfully user is a created. Good working. Let's role table is a select this role, and this is a role is a not a available. This is a role is a not a available. This is a create is a successfully. password is created. This is a admin@gmail.com. Copy same name, copy, and this is the email name. This is the password, and this is the email, and this is a password. This email is a set, and second, this is available password. Password is a password, and this is a name is a password. Same name is a hash password is available, and this is a password is a set. Good working. This is a all successfully. This is a set. Let's inside this implementation PHP artisan server, and enter. Please wait, this is a working fine. Let's copy this name, otherwise this is already run. Let's refresh this page, and this is a PHP artisan server is a working fine as it is. Let's all good. Let's check this .env file. This is a load, and this is a working file. Route and web.php. Inside this is available admin. This is the welcome page, and this is the admin, same name, copy, and slash and admin. This is a working fine. This is a by default is a create. This is a all good. Let this login detail is already available. This is a login detail, same login detail. Copy this. This login detail is a copy, and inside this paste here, and this is a tab password is a this copy password and paste here, and this is a login, and this is a show this password and email. Please wait, this is a login in, and this command is a working fine successfully. This is a admin panel is a working good. This is a dashboard is available, all good. This dashboard, this is a role is available. Inside this role, implementation role wise is available. This is a all role is not available. This is only, this is a admin display name. Inside this view edit delete is available. This normal user is a login. This is a user, click this user. This is a user is available. This is a media, all is available. This is a by default is a database. One side click and automatically coding is a generate, all good. This is a fine successfully working fine. This is a project is a working fine. This is a all done. This is last command is a implementation PHP artisan server, all good. This is a all command is a implementation. This is a video is done. This is a by default admin panel is create. Inside this automatically all folder is welcome, and this is a view folder. Inside this is not a code available, and this is automatically by default is a view is set. This video is done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this is a URL is a copy, and this is a paste here. This is a URL, and this is a URL is a save. This URL is a working fine. This is a URL, and this last is a admin, and this is a login detail, all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please check this video, like, subscribe and my channel. Thank you.